Hello, my name's Dominic Tardif, Product Manager with ABB, and I'm here to talk to you about Homac Custom Solutions. Here at ABB, our extensive internal manufacturing capabilities and our engineers offer virtually limitless options for custom connectors. Not every problem has a standard solution. With little more than a phone call, a simple sketch, or a series of photos, our engineers can work with you to design new parts with updated features to fit your unique situation, quickly and cost-effectively. We are then able to take this new design and fabricate it right on the factory floor using the same techniques and materials our manufacturing experts work with every single day. Your Homac Custom Solutions gets shipped wherever it's needed, making it possible to update your current system to be more resilient, efficient, and safer for all. It's a process we've undertaken for hundreds of customers and just might be the right solution you're looking for. For additional details about ABB Homac Custom Solutions, contact your local ABB representative.